Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. And in today's video, we are going to see how to install Python. All right. So the first thing you need to do is open a browser like Chrome, Safari, anything that you're using, and then go to this website, python.org. This is the official site for Python. So once you go in here, you will see an option for downloads, and then you can navigate or go to this location, download for Mac OS, because I'm using a Mac. If you have Windows, it will automatically detect this and give you the option for download for Windows. And then it will give you this option to download the latest version, which is 3.11.3 as of this recording. So all you need to do is simply click here. If you need a previous version of Python, you can click on this link and then it will give you option to download the earlier versions of Python. Uh, on the left side, you see the option for different operating systems like Windows, in case you need to download for Windows. All right. So just click on this and it will download start the download for the setup file. And once this is downloaded, we will click and open it. And then you will see the interface for installing Python, right? And then click on continue. So we will just keep the default options and continue. And then we will click on the license agreement, click on agree. And then it will show the space that it will take on your computer. And then you click on install. So if you're on Windows, you will get a checkbox here to set the path for Python. So you need to select this checkbox or else you might have issues using Python on your command line. So click here and click install. And then you might need to put in your credentials or your password. And then it begins the installation. Depending on your computer, it might take a minute or it might take 5 minutes or 10 minutes, depending on your internet speed and your machine's configuration. So once this is done, it will give you a message that the installation was completed successfully installed. And then you can just close this and delete the setup file, right? Another way, if you're using Mac, is to use brew install Python from your terminal and just click on enter after you type in this, and then you will get them. In my case, it's already installed, but it will go ahead and install the entire Python for your command line. And this is only for Mac users. And then once you're done with so this is the second way to install Python. So you can do it from the browser like I showed you, or you can do it from the command line. So after you're done, you can just open the terminal in Mac or the command line in Windows, and then just type in Python 3, and you should get a prompt like this. So this indicates that you have successfully installed Python, and then we can follow along and learn more about Python in the next tutorials. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this, and please like and subscribe to follow the next videos.